In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a works cited page using EBSCOhost and a website. I'm just going to be doing this in a blank document, but you're going to want to put this at the bottom of your current research paper. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to gather my sources, and there's two ways you're going to do this. Now, let's say I've got an article from EBSCOhost, which you should have at least one in your paper. Just go to the article, go to Cite, and since we're using MLA, once this pops up, you're just going to scroll down to MLA, copy this, and then paste it into your document. Now, I would recommend using Command-Shift-V instead of just Command-V. Command-Shift-V removes any formatting, so there won't be any weird highlighting or anything to it. Now, you'll notice that this appears a little bit different. You are going to have to put this as an indent, but I'm going to do all my hanging indents at once I have all my citations, and I'll show you that in just a second. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my citation from a website, and you're going to have to use easybib.com or bibme.com to do this. So I'm just going to a website, getting the URL, putting this in easybib, and then you will have to follow a couple of directions once you're on here, and this is all going to be with this button, and you'll just have to push it a couple of times. Just follow the directions. So paste in your URL, click Cite It, click Cite This, this will then show you everything that the website was able to find on its own. You may want to double check just to make sure that there wasn't anything else. So here, it didn't find authors, which if you're using the USHMM website, it won't have authors since it is a larger corporation. And it doesn't, for some reason, show that when it was published. If for some reason it comes up and it doesn't say that it had an article title, I'm going to show you what to do from there. Go ahead and click the final step. Go back to your website. And then this says what I would just make that the title, what is genocide. So when you go back here into EasyBib, it'll give you the opportunity to edit it, and just type that article title in where it says article title. Just the way that it was on the website. And then scroll down, create your citation. Again, if it doesn't come up with an author or the date that it was electronically published, that's fine. Usually larger corporations, PBS, NPR, or the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum won't have authors. From there, just scroll down, and here's your full citation. Just go ahead, copy this, so Command-C, and then go back into your document to paste it, Command-V. And again, with the highlighting, so I'm just going to undo that, Command-Z, and then redo it, Command-Shift-V. The only thing that's changed is it doesn't have this italicized, which I'll do myself. And then same here, highlight or italicize the publisher, and then let's do a hanging indent. Just highlight everything that you have. And the hanging indent, the purpose of this is to make the author or the article title stand out, since the author or article title is what you have in your in-text citation. You see a triangle and a rectangle, drag the triangle over to the half-inch mark, and then drag the rectangle back to where you started. And then you'll see the author and the article title both stand out now. Then make sure that you have your paper double spaced, and there you go. I would start this with a title works cited. Make sure that is centered. And then mine is already just happens to be this way. Make sure that you have this in alphabetical order. So if I had pasted this in first, I would need to change the order since this starts with a W and this starts with a K. And that should be it.